Sanda Vlogs, watch guys.
Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. So for this video, guys, we tutorial for this video tutorial about clock, because Inday she not yet know about the clock, because she know but only little bit only. So now I repeat Inday and
Mama,
I teach here about clock because she don't know yet very well. Okay? Okay, now, ang mami lang. Kaya ang teacher may mga drawing. Oh, teacher, no. So, now, like this.
Nom sa ko ano.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. So, this. Oh. So, now, put here 12. 6. So 3. 9. So 10. 11. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So, listen to me. How many numbers all numbers we have in clock? Well, how many every minute? How many number we have? How many number we have it? We have 59 numbers. Because of why? This one is like this. You listen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one the bigger. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one the 1, 2, 3, 4. This one the okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1. It's very difficult to understand this. It's very difficult to understand here. Not understand very well in that. No. So that's why like this. I using like this first. So now I make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. So clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, bawat patak ng ulan. So, this Kanisya 5. Why she become 5? Why the 1 become 5? Ngano man ang 1 himo mang 5? Why? Bakit ang 1 nagawang 5? Why? What is the reason why the 1 she become 5? Why? What is the answer? Because ano man ang 1 himo mang 5? Unsa may answer? Because we have pila ka guhit?
4.
4 guhit unya na ay
5.
so nahimo siyang 5 guhitanan. So Inday said why 1 become 5? Because of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the long one is 5. So that's why it become 5. So matag guhit we have 1 minute. 1 minute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, we have a 5 minutes. All this one add. Okay? So that's why now is this one 10. This one is 15. This one is 20. This one is 25. 4 naman hinoon eh. It's sorry.
25.
Yes, 25. This is 30. This is 35. This is 40.
5.
This is 45.
45.
45. This is
14. 50.
This is man ang ingguhit ani? 55 ni siya. Ala, nusam ni. Taka ang butang. Sorry. Sorry. I mistake. This one here, the
45.
5. Yes,
46.
Yeah, 55 na diha.
55.
55 unya.
54.
55.
56.
Unya unsa man ni? Unsa man ni? What is this? 40, 45, 50 man ni oy. 50. This is 55. This is here is all of this one.
Uy. Dili.
Oh, so natay 56, 57,
5.
58, 59. So this one 9. Oh, so how many number? Every minute all we count this one. So we have 59 minutes.
9.
So,
Manatay ka?
oh, mana no?
Nakatulog ko.
So, now, what time is it now? Oh, say Kwan. Say oras. What time is it now? This is the time, this is the minutes, this is the seconds. Okay, what is it? What time is it now? So,
Nabilong siya sa
Nabilong siya sa?
11.
She still belong in 11 o'clock. So, what time is it now? The exactly answer is number... Oh, wait. We start about of... Wait the... Sorry, very sorry. We start... I mistake. So, we start about... Here. We start in number 1 because we have...
Ubi ako dito sa inyo.
Oh, sige ha. Oh. This is the minutes, this is the seconds, this is the time. Okay, Inay? Sige, number 1. Ako kang wanan og answer na. So, we have 12, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, we have 12. Okay, what time is it now? This is the time, and this the seconds, and this is the minutes, and this is the seconds. So what time is it now?
Ubi na pa, nabilong.
Asa man siya? Na 1 o'clock na ba siya, or not yet pa?
Dili.
Oh, not yet. So, what time is it? Nabilong siya sa?
Dili. 12.
Yes, because it's not yet in 1. So, nabilong yapon siya sa 12. So, what time is it now? What time is it now? Sige. Unsa may oras? Unsa oras? Okay, answer. Ako ibutang dapat diri, answer. Number 1. Kaya naman das number 1. Sige. Okay, what time is it now?
12 o'clock.
Okay.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
So, exactly? 50. So, what time is it now? Oh, unsa may oras? Unsa oras? What is the answer?
50.
Oh, ang oras? 50 minutes. Oh, yes.
50 minutes.
Oh, unsa oras? Ang oras?
12 12 o'clock and 50
50
minutes.
minutes. Okay. In the answer, 12 o'clock and 50 minutes. Okay, next. Next. Okay. Now. Seconds, minutes, and the time. Oh, what time is it now? Sa oras? Ang bantay, ana, nakinig.
Three.
Unsa man ni siya ang minutes ug tungtong diha unsa may but pasabot?
Untop.
Untop. So untop. Unsa man? Untop.
Untop.
Untop. Exactly.
Exactly.
Unsa man? Unsa may oras?
Oh.
Ha? Okay? Unsa? 2
2
o'clock. Okay.
o'clock.
The time is exactly
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. So exactly. Okay. Exactly. Sakto. Untop. 2 o'clock. So, now. Next. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. This is the time. And this is the minutes. And this is the... Okay. Minutes, seconds, time. So, what time is it now?
3.
Huh? Okay. Okay, 3 o'clock and... Nagkautot ko, guys. Sige, 3 o'clock and... Ano yan?
3 o'clock
And...
and
Pilay sobra.
minutes.
How much the minutes? Yes, that is the minutes. Asa nagtungtong? Exactly.
1.
1. Unsa man ang 1?
5.
5. So, what is this correct and exactly... What is your correct and exactly answer?
3 o'clock
And...
and 5 minutes.
Very good. So, the answer in the number 3 is 3 o'clock and 5 minutes. Okay, very good. So, number 4. Ganun, nagkamao na dyan ka ni. Okay. Okay. This is the... Okay. Listen. Look at here and listen. This is the time, this is the minutes, and this is the seconds. So now, what time is it
Asang
now?
seconds?
So now, Inday. Now, here in the Philippines is AM.
3.
AM.
3.
Uy, AM.
siya.
Unya, mga alas 6 na bilong, unya, mga dili alas 6. Unya, ika-12. Karon ika-12 is nabilong na ta sa PM. PM. Okay? Okay. But now, we belong in AM. AM pa. Okay. So, what time is it now? Number 4. What time is it now? Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, number 4. What time is it now? Number 4. What time is it now? What is your correct and exactly answer? Okay?
3.
3 o'clock and
30.
Sige.
3
Louder.
o'clock and 30 minutes.
Okay, we have a 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock yun na day.
4 o'clock.
Okay, okay, yeah. 3, sakto. 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. 3 o'clock and 30
Minutes.
minutes. Okay, very good. So now, number 5.
Padung tasa 12.
Kaya 12 banda ko to. So, na. Okay, what is your correct